was probably the hardest I've leaned in a while. Man. Oh, gravel. Bad idea. Bad idea. Gravel everywhere. I'm looking. I am what? Oh. Damn, this bike, I'm flipping it, man. I guess that means we're comfortable on it, or stupid. One of the two. Where you at? Oh, okay. Oh, what the hell? What the? Like they were next, like they pulled out from the thing and they were right next to each other. Like I don't know how you didn't see it, and then just start like doing this shit. Like, what the fuck? To me, you're actually kind of fine. Am I quiet? Oh, sorry. Yeah. The foot. This car lived behind me to the left where I just freaked out. Cause I'm right here and I just went whoop! Dude, I'm not even using the f***ing clutch at all, man. I don't even need it to get in neutral, nothing.
I downshift.
I normally do.
When I upshift, I what is that called?
Yeah, like get warm. No, that wasn't me. I don't know. I think it was the guy that left me because I looked at him and he like looked at me and I just went like this. That sounded like a motorcycle horn. So I thought it was the Hyundai because it's a Hyundai. Ah, shit. Yeah, well, this is kind of a box truck. Sorry, I'm yelling. Maybe no. And then there's a bus now, and there's a car behind the bus. Well, what the f are you doing? Woo! Car behind me, freak out. No, dude, there's no way. I don't trust nobody. Here, you know what? Are there any cops around? Okay. I was gonna, but everyone was moving, and then there was a van behind us just being sketchy. Track you down again. Yeah? I got your B train. Dude, I can like touch these cars if I want to. Get chalk and start writing shit when they go by. Did I tell you I rode before with Miss? That was pretty fun. Now I look for contact when I do that.